Hey guys, welcome you all in T3P. Right now, AWS and DevOps are the great combination, and in this video, I am going to cover 12 DevOps and automation tools which are from AWS itself. And in this video, I am going to cover each tool one by one quickly, and I'll share how this tool works and what are the benefits from these tools. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, let's talk about the first service. First service we are having Amazon Code Guru security service. So this is a service which is an automated code review service that uses machine learning to identify code quality issues and provide recommendation for any improvement. So how it works, like we can integrate with our CI/CD pipeline, or we can say development pipeline. So it will help us to analyze code repository, detect bugs, and suggest optimization through profiling and static analysis. If we talk about the benefits of this service, it improves the code quality, reduce operational cost, and faster application performance, and also it enhance developer productivity, because once we before deployment, if we will get the issues, then we can rectify them and then we can deploy our application error free. Next service we are having AWS Code Artifact service. It's a managed artifact repository service for storing, managing, and sharing software packages. It works like it can host packages, manage dependencies of your application, and control access to artifacts across development teams, so multiple teams can access it. And the benefit of it simplifies artifact management, enhance package security, and improve collaboration and reduce build time. Next service we are having in the list is AWS Code Commit service. AWS Code Commit service is a fully managed source control service for hosting secure and scalable Git repository. So it works with providing version control, collaboration features, and integrate with other AWS services as well. If we talk about the benefit of these services, it provides secure code storage, easy collaboration, seamless AWS integration, and simplified management. Now let's talk about the next service, that is AWS Code Pipeline service. It's kind of a CI/CD service from AWS that automates the build, test, and deployment phases of your release process. It works with the constructs automated workflows with various stages, actions, and integration. It provides the benefits. If we will talk about it, provide streamlined software release cycle, improved delivery speed, consistent deployment, and reduced manual intervention. Let's talk about next service, that is AWS Code Build service. It's a fully managed build service that compiles source code, run tests, and produces software packages. If we talk about how we can it works like builds code bases on specification and supports various programming languages. The benefit of this service is it eliminates the need for managing build infrastructure, improves build performance, and support integration with CI/CD pipeline. Next service we are having AWS Code Deploy service. It's a deployment automation service from AWS that automates application deployments to various compute services. These services can be anything, either it's a AWS Lambda, EC2, and other services. If we talk about how it works like it coordinates deployments across instances or containers. As I mentioned, we can deploy our application in any kind of compute instance, and also it monitors health and enables rollbacks. The benefit of this service is it reduces the downtime during the deployment and consistent release processes. Now let's talk about the next service, that is AWS Code Star service. AWS Code Star service is a fully managed service for creating, managing, and deploying application on AWS. It provides project templates, automates setup, and integrates CI/CD pipeline. The benefit of this service is it accelerates application development, simplified project management, and streamlined deployment workflows. Now let's talk about the next service, that is AWS App Mess Service. So if we will talk about AWS App Mess Service, it's for the standard communication between microservices across different compute services we are having for AWS. And it works like it manages traffic, enforces policies, provide observability and insights. So for if you are looking for the service which provide or we can say the management of traffic or enforce policies on your application, this is the service you need to look for. The benefit of this service is it enhance visibility, improve network resiliency, and simplified microservices communication. Next service we are having in the list is AWS Cloud Development Kit. This service is an open source software development framework for defining cloud infrastructure as a code. It works like it enables developers to define infrastructure using familiar programming languages. The benefits of this service is faster cloud resource provisioning, reduced manual configuration, and improved collaboration between development and operations. Next service we are having in the list is AWS Cloud Formation Service, a service that allow you to define and provision AWS infrastructure as a code. Like we are having Terraform in the market, similarly we are having AWS Cloud Formation in AWS. It works like it defines resources in JSON or YAML template. You can define your infrastructure in any of the template which are used to create and manage stacks of AWS resources. The benefits of this service is it's like infrastructure as a code, so you can define your infrastructure in a template and that can be reused multiple times. It provides consistent resource provisioning because there is very less chance for manual error. Also, it manages the version controlled infrastructure changes. Next service we are having in the list is AWS Toolkit for Azure DevOps. It's an extension that integrates AWS services into Azure DevOps pipeline. So it enables seamless interaction with AWS services from Azure DevOps services. The benefit of it provides multi-cloud deployment and also improve integration between AWS and Azure DevOps. Next service, that is the last from the list, AWS Fault Injection Simulator. It's a tool for testing the resiliency of application by injecting faults and failures. So it works like it simulates various failure scenarios to identify weaknesses and improve system reliability. The benefits of this service is it improved application resiliency, better understanding of failure modes, and proactive identification of potential issues. So these are the 12 services from DevOps and automation for AWS. Each of these tools contribute to the DevOps and automation capabilities on AWS, enables teams to efficiently develop, deploy, and manage their application with improved speed, reliability, and collaboration. So you must have you should gone through these services, and the official link I'll share in the description box. Just go through them, learn, and boost your skill set that can help you for your career. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to see such videos in future, then don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, and keep learning.